So today I want to show you exactly what happened in the market. On the top of the chart we have Amazon, Netflix, Nvidia, and also Apple. I already have one Apple position, is already in loss, and but all you can see is only my screen record actually. So it's not live the market. So because when I trade, I couldn't speak, and so that's why I just recorded, and then I will make some video about it. So here we go. We have Nvidia in the downtrend, and when we are in the down, so you should absolutely know you should not open a long position, you should short it. Here I just opened the short position on the Nvidia, and the result will show it was around, I think, 800 or 700 today. And here I just open again Nvidia, and I want to also open one position on Amazon, and the result is, you can see in the next video actually. So we just waited, and Nvidia is just make a lot of, until it's also go up until 300 on the loss, but I just hold it because I know when I know the market is going down, so of course I just hold it until it's not break the last higher high, so that's why I just keep it. And here we go, we have also Apple. I just already opened one Amazon, and I just shorted 1000 share on Amazon. Just let's see what happened exactly. And here Nvidia is coming down a little, and also I will show you about the S&P 500. So you can see when S&P is coming down, of course all of the market is coming down, and Nvidia is going a little the profit, but again they go up. So here we go. I just changed this S&P to the 5 min time frame. So here we can see Nvidia is going on the profit until 100, but it's go up again, so just wait it. So but Apple, I don't know what happened on my Apple chart, so I couldn't see exactly, but I just track it on my trading view, so that's why. Here we go, just wait what happened. S&P is going up a little, Amazon is 100 in the loss, so let's see. So I just closed my Apple, and also S&P is started with so if you look at to the chart, Nvidia is makes exactly the downtrend. So when you see the downtrend, of course you should open a short position. So that's why I made that decision to short on Nvidia. But you can see Nvidia is going up and up, and but in the last, you can see Nvidia gave us a little profit, so it's go up also down around until 300. So but when you know the market is coming down, of course you will hold it until. But I just make one mistake, so I didn't know about the trigger, about if I enter right just right here, my profit will be very higher than this. So I just waited. So you can see S&P also going up and down. I was also thinking about should I close it or not, because it's not didn't touch my higher high, so that's why I just keep it. So here is come down, and S&P also come down. So let's see. The Amazon is come back to the profit, and here's Nvidia also coming down and down, and Apple is still going up and down. So here is S&P showing us the power of the sellers, and here's the calm. Here's the calm down. Let's see. Here is a break happened. It's coming down again. So Apple is already in. Apple actually did as like against the market, so it's going up, but Nvidia on Amazon is coming down, and so that's why. Let's see. So here is the break happen. So Nvidia is on around 100 and 200 on profit, and Amazon also is in 50. So just wait until. So here is the market is falling down. So I just waited until to hit the target. So on Apple, here I just decide to close that position because I didn't focus actually too much on the Apple, so my focus was on Nvidia and also on Amazon, but not on Apple. So I didn't care too much about the Apple, so I just closed the Apple. Here, just close my Apple and going back to focus on Nvidia and Amazon. So here's the break happened. It's going also to until 500-600, but I just closed on for around 400. So that was enough. So here I close it, and then I go to the Amazon. Here I'll just go. I just close it. So that was all about the today trade, and so thank you for watching, and also have a nice day.